Sometimes life doesn't need more effort. It needs a reset. Not a new plan, not more noise, not another distraction. A reset is when you stop, take a breath, and decide to start again with intention. Because everything changes when you reset. Sometimes life doesn't need more effort. It needs a reset. Not a new plan, not more noise, not another distraction. A reset is when you stop, take a breath, and decide to start again with intention. Because everything changes when you reset. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're overloaded. Too many expectations, too many voices, too many responsibilities pulling in different directions. So you drift, not because you want to, but because you never paused to realign. A reset is how you come back to yourself. A reset isn't quitting. It isn't giving up. It's choosing clarity over chaos, focus over confusion, purpose over pressure. A reset is saying, this version of my life no longer serves me, and having the courage to change direction without apology. To reset, you must let go. Let go of old habits that keep you busy but unfulfilled. Let go of relationships that drain you more than they build you. Let go of the need to explain your growth to people who benefit from your stagnation. You don't need permission to evolve. The real reset starts in the mind. Your thoughts shape your actions shape your life. If your mind is cluttered, your life will be chaotic. But when you reset your thinking, when you slow down, when you choose intention over impulse, everything starts to align. A reset doesn't require dramatic moves. It starts with small decisions, waking up earlier, protecting your focus, choosing discipline over distraction. One better choice today creates a stronger version of you tomorrow. Progress isn't loud, it's consistent. After a reset, things may feel slow. That doesn't mean it's not working. It means you're rebuilding on solid ground. Growth after a reset is quiet, but it's powerful. Trust the process. Give yourself time to adjust to your new standard. A reset isn't about becoming someone new. It's about returning to who you were before the world told you who to be. You already have what it takes. You just needed space to remember it. This is your moment to realign. If life feels heavy, if you feel disconnected, if you feel stuck, maybe it's not a failure. Maybe it's your signal to reset. And when you do, everything changes.